All right, so you guys know grocery delivery is like my favorite invention ever. And of course, I did decide to get some grocery delivery again this week. I actually have 2 separate grocery hauls to show you, and I didn't do very well at making a meal plan. So let's make a meal plan on the fly, shall we? All right, so are you ready to be depressed again? Here's everything that I got from Walmart for $195. Now, I will say that does include a $20 tip because I did have it delivered. So let's start down here. Milo, you're not contributing to this household in any way except begging for treats. How do you feel about this? That's it? You getting a job tomorrow? Yep. Thank you. Okay, so before we get into the grocery haul, you guys know I've been on this never-ending journey of weight loss. I mean, I'm kidding, but it feels that way sometimes. And I've been looking for a new scale, one that can measure things other than just weight. I was interested in a scale that could measure, you know, muscle mass and body fat percentage and those types of measurements. And so when FitTrack reached out to sponsor a video with me, I said yes. And so I want to thank Dara FitTrack for sponsoring today's video. This scale, you guys, is awesome, and there is a killer discount that you can get if you use my link. I'm going to tell you all about it. So like I said, the FitTrack scale doesn't just measure your weight, which is really important to me. I find that especially when you're weighing yourself more frequently, obviously your body fluctuates in, you know, fat loss, water loss, different things like that. And so it's really valuable to me to be able to track other metrics in a simple way that I can understand. And the best part is that with the Dara FitTrack scale, you can actually download an app that is super easy to understand where you can track all of those metrics. The other thing I like about it is that it actually prompts me to weigh myself at least 3 times a week, which I think is helpful because, you know, sometimes you just don't want to step on the scale, even though you know you should. So I do actually like getting those prompts on my phone. The app also has a catalog of exercise videos, which I think is super awesome. And I've actually been using this since before I started low carb, and I've lost 6 pounds of the weight that I regained. So I'm super happy with that, and I totally recommend this scale if you guys are looking for an accurate scale that syncs with your phone, that gives you tons of insights and measures things other than just your body weight. The Dara FitTrack scale helps give you the tools that you need to succeed and feel more confident in your weight loss journey. It also helps motivate me and gives me the tools that I need to stay on track. So if you guys want to get the Dara FitTrack scale, like I said, highly recommend it. I'll have a link in the description box below, or you can tap the screen right here as well. It's actually on sale on the website for 30% off, but if you use my link and my code, you're actually going to get an additional 20% off for a total of 50% off. So seriously, don't pass up this deal. Grab your Dara FitTrack scale today. Highly, highly recommend it. Now let's get back to the grocery haul, and we'll see the insane amount of money that I spent on groceries this week. Since we can't save money on groceries, you might as well save money on a scale, right? All right, so I had to get some napkins. We've been out of these for several days, and we use them religiously, so needed more of those. Kira asked specifically that I get some of these pepperoni and mozzarella cheese roll-ups. I haven't been getting them for a while because they're kind of expensive, but she wanted them for her lunches, so I said yes. I also just got some plain sliced pepperoni. I am not sure what I'm gonna use that for. This was just kind of like I don't know, get on my phone and scroll and figure out what we need, and I don't even know if I have everything I need, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. Okay. Kira also wanted some of these P3 protein packs. I ordered the ones with like the little chocolate clusters, but they were out of them. So they sent 4 of these. These are the turkey, Colby Jack, and almonds. I got some bacon because I'm thinking we might do BLTs one night. I went to the farmer's market this weekend. That's actually why I don't have much produce here, because I got a ton of produce at the farmer's market, and I do have fresh tomatoes that I got there. So I think that's what we'll do with that. I did order another one of these, so a total of 2, but they only sent 1. These are the sharp cheddar cheese sticks. And then I also ordered a container of cottage cheese and 2 packs of the Colby Jack cheese snacks, which they did not have those either. I assumed that would be this way since it's Monday night and probably picked over from the weekend, but actually it's Tuesday night. No, but this was a holiday weekend, so whatever. Okay, I got some corned beef. So a couple weeks ago, I did like these Reuben bakes. So I basically cut up corned beef, and I put some sauerkraut, and I mixed it up with a little bit of Thousand Island, and I put some Swiss cheese on the top, which I got some Swiss cheese as well, and then I baked it in the oven. It was so, so good. I also got some American cheese because we were out of that. I've been liking to buy this kind. I think it makes better grilled cheese. I don't really eat grilled cheese a lot, but sometimes the kids do. Walmart had like $1 cash back if you bought 2 crescent rolls. So one fun fact now is that if you guys are IBOTTA users and you use Walmart like delivery or pickup, it's actually embedded right in the app now. So they're calling it Walmart Cash, but it's actually the same offers that IBOTTA has. So fun fact there. Anyway, I have a freezer meal in the freezer that is chili. And so I thought one night I would probably make chili with some either crescent rolls or pigs in a blanket. I think I have all of the ingredients for that besides the crescent rolls, so that should be good. I got some celery sticks. These are just about the same price as a big head of celery. However, these I find stay fresh longer, and a lot of times we don't use up the whole thing of celery. So I got that this time. I got myself one of the Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurts. Those are good. This is a strawberry cheesecake. I got 1 red onion, some half and half. I totally forgot to get iced coffee, cold brew. What am I doing with myself? I don't know. See, disorganization. Okay. I got some bananas. We were out of those. And then I think I meant to get the smaller container or bag of broccoli, but this is a larger one, which is fine. I think I might make some broccoli salad. Either that or we'll have it for a side with dinner one night. I got some lettuce for the BLTs or tacos or whatever we need it for. I got the everything chopped salad kit. This is really good. I have some of the Real Good Foods, what are they called? Like the chicken nuggets, low carb chicken nuggets in the freezer. Those are good in that salad. I got some more bread, some hot dog buns for hot dogs. See, why did I get hot dog buns? But I have crescent rolls to make the pigs in a blanket, but I got hot dog buns. This is what happens when you fail to plan, then just plan to fail. Okay, and then I got some steak cut French fried potatoes. It's the end of the night. I'm sorry. I got some French fries. I'm gonna make something with those, probably a side. I got some applesauce for Connor and his lunches, some breakfast sandwiches for Adam. Sometimes I do homemade breakfast. I know last weekend I made breakfast burritos. If I don't have time to meal prep any breakfast on the weekend, I'll just buy the sandwiches. I got some lemonade to mix up for the fridge, some chocolate chip mini muffins. Connor likes those, and he said he wants to take those for snack this week. Kira likes the lemon loaf from Starbucks, and last time I tried to order this, they were out and I didn't get it, so I ordered it this time and I got it. This is just the market side iced lemon loaf cake. I got some flour tortillas for tacos probably, or something, I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make fajitas or tacos. I got some of the Joseph's lavash bread, and then this is the second time I've bought these in a few weeks, and they're really good. They are the Joseph's pita bread. It says heart friendly on the front. These are only 70 calories each, 3 carbs. No, I'm sorry, 6 carbs. For 1 pita, 6 carbs and 70 calories. Like, you can't beat that. I've made pizzas out of these. I made pita chips out of them. So, so good. Highly recommend them. I got some of the Thai style sweet chili sauce. The kids love their shrimp dipped in that, popcorn shrimp. I got myself some snacks. These are the chocolate cream protein wafer crisps from Atkins. They're really good. And then I also saw these chocolate peanut candies that I got as well. Kira said she wanted some sour candy, so I don't know. I just searched sour candy and these came up. They are the Haribo sour streamers. I got some ice cream sandwiches, which I already put in the freezer. Kira specifically wanted these granola bars for snacks. She has been at school. She does marching band now, so she's been at school from like 7 in the morning till 7 in the evening sometimes, so she needs plenty of snacks to put in her backpack. And then a couple non-food things, some deodorant and some conditioner that Kira wanted. So that is everything I got from Walmart this evening. All right, so hello, welcome back. It is the following day, and I did go ahead and place another order to get the things that I needed filled in that I couldn't get yesterday. So I got some coffee because I need cold brew. This is the Stoke cold brew. I like this kind, but then I saw that they had Dunkin' cold brew concentrate, which I haven't seen this at my Walmart before. So I went ahead and picked some of that up just to try it. They did not have cottage cheese yesterday and did not substitute it, so I got some today. This is the Prairie Farms 4%. I also wanted Colby Jack cheese yesterday and they didn't have it, so I got it this time. Connor requested this. I got 2 cans of SpaghettiOs with meatballs. Kids wanted those. Some deli ham because Connor likes ham wrapped around pickles. Kind of like the pinwheels except without the cream cheese. He doesn't like the cream cheese with them. I only ordered 1 cheese, but they sent me 2. I did look on my receipt, so I'm not sure how that happened. I only got charged for 1, but this is extra sharp cheddar cheese. That's fine. We always can use cheese. I got the dogs some bones, and some food. I mixed this with their dry food. I think that's it. Is that it? I feel like it was like 80 bucks. Okay, so I was gonna tell you, whatever, what we're gonna do for dinner this week. So tonight I ended up making chili in the crock pot. That was a freezer meal. I did not make the pigs in a blanket, but basically I just made hot dogs on the stove. And then we have those with buns with the chili. I actually had a salad for dinner. So that's what we have for dinner. And then tomorrow night I am going to make BLTs because I have bacon, I have tomato from the farmer's market, I have bread, lettuce. I'll probably do some roasted potatoes on the side, like in the oven, because I have a bag of roasted potatoes in the pantry that I need to get used up. And then Friday we always do pizza. Earlier this week we did also do like a creamy chicken and noodles in the slow cooker. I've had a ton of freezer meals in my freezer lately because I have been making them for the FreezerFit website and channel, which I will link that down below if you guys are interested in joining the membership. I've got a ton of recipes over there, so hopefully I'll see you inside there. But anyway, those have been coming in super handy, like way handy, because a lot of times I don't even have time to think in the morning about what I'm gonna make, and sometimes I even forget about it until lunch, and then I'm like, oh, I could throw something in the crock pot. That's what I did today, is I put that chili in the crock pot at like noon, and I just put it on high and it was ready by dinner. So that was our meal plan and grocery haul for this week. Be sure to click that link below and use code JenChapin for up to 50% off your Dara Fit Track scale. I know you guys will love it. And watch this video next. I will see you in the next one. Bye.